Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Gary. We're here for a Tuesday video. As you guys know, I don't want to end it, but I have to. Today is the last day of Vlogmas, and I thought, why not just do a chilled little makeup tutorial, you know, just doing a little something here or there. So hope you guys are okay, and this will be my last video. But I will be still uploading a lot of videos throughout Christmas and the Christmas period. So don't think it is as I'm not going to upload no more videos. I'm still going to churn out videos. But you know, because it's my birthday week, it's going to be a bit calmed down. So let's just get into this tutorial, and that is on. Okay, so we're gonna do some moisturizer. My hair's being so weird recently. Maybe someone told me to wrap it, but we're gonna use the Chanel Hydra Cream. How's everyone been doing anyways? Everyone ready for Christmas? Because I'm not sure if you guys watched yesterday's vlog, but from tonight, London goes into another lockdown, so it's just not cute. It's not ideal, but you know, I guess it's one of those things where we kind of knew it was gonna happen. Do you know what I mean? Hold on, wait. Yeah, I need to take this off because I know this is going to be mad annoying. Okay, so we're going to go with a different primer. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Undercover Primer. I've actually used this for ages, and I feel like sometimes I get in such a rut of using the same product because I have so much products. Also, hold on, I haven't even mentioned the giveaway, so I have got a giveaway here, which I'm gonna announce in the middle of the video or the end of the video. You have to watch the whole blood clot video and the ads to know what the giveaway is, okay? But I know someone's gonna ask me about my contact lenses. These are different lenses. My eye's red there. Like, I feel like something happened to my eye. I'm actually really upset. But yeah, I've got a really nice giveaway, and it's international, and I feel like I'm gonna prioritize it. I know, sorry to my UK fam, but obviously, you know, when I went do giveaways, I feel like a lot of the UK fam win, especially on Instagram, but it just depends. It could be anyone, but mainly I want it to be someone from overseas because I feel like the overseas can't really get my lashes. Actually, I might just do 2 giveaways. I could do 2 giveaways, but I'm gonna do 1 for this one because I've got so much giveaways to post. But I'll do another one. Well, I've been doing that 12 years at Instagram. So anyway, period. Okay, so we're gonna use. I've spoken about this before, but I've actually never used this in a video. This is the Melt Stack. Like, this is the one for deeper skin tones. This is called the Cream Sculpt Stack, and I've got it in the. I think the cream, they only do the cream version in this shade, I think. And don't get the powder, the powder's not for us. When I did my Look Fantastic video, I actually forgot to show you guys this brush. It's actually a dupe for the Pat McGrath one. And I think this one's like maybe £10. I don't think my code still works, but you know, if you want to cut this, it's good. So I think I'm gonna show you it. So this is a little mirror, which is good, but I'm not sure who's asking to see into this mirror. So it comes with a brightening, an olive tone for highlight, a contour. Is it a contour? No, that's a contour. That's the bronze, and that is a contour cream as well. But I do think if you don't like a bright under eye, you're not gonna like this. I'm gonna start with the contour. You do have to warm it up, but a lot of people have reviews on this. But if you are oily, don't be worried because it is a cream, because I'll probably say it's kind of like a hybrid cream where it's not too creamy. I think it's more like a matte kind of cream. It's kind of like a dry cream, so don't expect it to be super oily. So I'm gonna go like that. I actually love doing this technique, but I do feel like it's not the most convenient time-wise, but I do think it looks amazing in pictures. You don't use as much foundation, and it just looks so freaking good. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna use my finger to warm that up, and then I'm just gonna put some. Ooh, that's a bit too much, but it's fine. We're gonna take the excess on our brushes. But yeah, as I was saying, do you guys do presents? Because I feel like this year, like, my mom and sister didn't really want to do presents, but because I haven't seen them for that long, I'm definitely gonna do presents. But I feel like as you get older, Christmas definitely isn't as popping. Like, I remember being a kid and being so excited for presents, but nah. Christmas is definitely for the kids. Oh, I'm definitely putting too much on, but we're gonna put over a foundation. Okay, so we're gonna go on with this warm blend cream. I still don't think this is like dark enough. And then we're gonna put this on top, just over the dark areas. This looks super dark, guys, but this blends out so good. I feel like not a lot of people spoke about this, and you know, Melt, I feel like, not that I know a lot about Melt, but I just kind of think this is kind of like a random product for them to bring out. Like, not random, but it's like obviously catered for deeper skin tones, which we love, but it kind of came out, everyone's just like, okay, cute. Well, it is such a good product. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this olive color. Look how, actually this isn't too bright on me, but if you are darker, this is definitely gonna read. See, this is so bright. Hold on, is this one, which one's lighter? Oh! And I'm not gonna do too much because I don't really like creams under my eye, but again, this isn't a thick cream, but Okay, we're gonna look crazy for this part of the video, but we're gonna get there. But honestly, when it blends out, guys, this is so good. So we're gonna take this up. We're basically contouring and highlighting under the skin. Then we're gonna go in with Brighten, which is this one, which is super bright. I'm just gonna put it here, giving very RuPaul here. Like, this is like such an intense contour. Obviously, I told you guys, you couldn't do this in like 30 minutes. Like, it's something you have to like physically prepare yourself for, because the blending and everything is honestly mad, but it blends out, as I said, really, really nice. We're gonna cut them. I'm just gonna go to town, like, why not? Oh, like, look, imagine if I turned up at a day like this, like, hi Tyrone. For foundation, I'm gonna go with one of my favorites. This is the Chanel Le Beige Luminous Foundation. I wear the shade BR152. Always forget to say foundation shades, and you only need a little bit because we're going over it. Actually, should I use the brush? I didn't think of that. Should I use a brush? Actually, I'm gonna go with a blender because I've got some on there. I'm just gonna pounce it on because you don't want it to be full coverage, because you're literally gonna cover up everything. Because basically, what you do this technique because you're basically not gonna use as much foundation, so everything's still gonna be underneath, you know. I also just want to say thank you to everyone that supported my Vlogmas. You guys know it's my first Vlogmas, and it's kind of like taught me how Vlogmas needs to be. Vlogmas, you need to be prepared. You need to be somewhere where we're not in a lockdown. And you basically, I feel like it isn't that bad because I wasn't doing straight Vlogmas videos. I was still giving you guys content, but it's definitely something you definitely have to be prepared for. So for any future YouTubers that want to do it, definitely make sure you're prepared, because I definitely wasn't prepared, but I just kind of had fun with it. Like, it's just Vlogmas. It's not like a countdown. It's not like you know what I mean? It's not a game show. So definitely have fun with it. I feel like people take it too seriously, and it's just something that's on YouTube. Like, you know what I mean? Like, obviously it's fun, but you know. Okay, so to set them eyes, I actually did this combo like earlier today, and it looks so good. I'm gonna use the Make Up Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation, and I always like to set before I lay powder down. This powder is gorgeous. Like, can you just see how beautiful it's blended out? It's actually looking so cute. I'm just gonna go everywhere we kind of like set. And also, I wish, like, I know like Kim obviously helped me out with the Sephora order, but I really wish Sephora would deliver back to the US, because basically the reason Sephora stopped delivering to the UK is because we got this thing called GDPR, where like certain like websites and stuff can't, like, it's something to do with your data. That's why a lot of places stop delivering to the UK. I've been getting calls from like random companies, the same thing why the law was instated, and I just, not someone emailing me, how ghetto.
This is so ridiculous. I can't stand here, I can't sit here.
So I just feel like, oh, it's just so annoying. I just really wish like Sephora would deliver to us, or like anyone would deliver to us. Going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. Favorite powder ever. Like, I'm yet to find a powder that snatches my under eye as much. Obviously we've got the La Mercier, but this just kind of does what it needs to do. Then I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in number 4. This light, does my lighting look a bit weird? Maybe it's just me. Maybe I need to move it forward. I'm just gonna bronze where we put that contour. Like, it's so crazy. I remember like just contouring and really being into, like, you know, that really harsh contour, which I still kind of am now. If you don't really bronze, and sis, who are you? Like, we have so many bronzers now for deeper skin tones. Also, was anyone else upset about Ashanti and Keisha Cole? Like, Ashanti like really let me down. Like, I was ready, I bought snacks, I had wine, I had everything, and Ashanti just, but to be fair, I feel like Ashanti knew what, I'm not gonna say anything, but child, you know, girl, you gonna get a bitch beat up. Child, please, what time we gonna meet up? Look how gorgeous the skin looks, guys. It looks so flipping nice. Just adding bronzer. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of that contour lid on the shade, because we're not doing shadow because I'm lazy, and it just looks so nice. Just to add a bit of pop to the lids. Do you know what I mean? If you don't want to add shadow, you can always add a cream instead of a bronzer. That's what I always do. Maybe these shades are a bit too light for my lids. It's basically the same color, so I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of the contour one. Ooh, this might be a bit too dark. Yeah, you could do that. Also, I've got some, I can't really say yet, but I'm still waiting for things to be confirmed. But you guys should know by the next video what I'm referring to, like what's gonna happen. Like, oh, it's hard to say, but anyway, let's get into highlighting. I'm gonna go with the Danessa Myricks, what's this called, Illuminating Veil. She actually sent me a box full of products, so if you guys want a full face of Danessa Myricks, let me know and I can do that for you. Let me try. This could easily just go wrong. Hold on, where's the mirror? I'm actually really nervous. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow. Not do too much. This is quite a lightweight cream. Put some on the nose. So a lot of you guys were asking about my highlight, and guys, I have been obsessed with this Revlon Skin Lights highlighter. This is in the shade Gleam. Oh my god, I'm just gonna set that over. I did like that, but it didn't really dry down too much, so I'm just gonna put some highlight just to camouflage that. Just gonna set the face. Charlotte Tilbury, you know the drill. Ooh, we might. Let me get my fan. Guys, look at this skin. Oh my god, like, can you see how fresh it just looks? Because we haven't used that much foundation, it just looks so stunning and so just like, mwah. Almost forgot blush. I'm gonna do e.l.f. Always Spicy. I love this one. I just feel like it's such a nice shade, especially for like a deeper skin tone. Okay, it's lip time. I'm gonna go in with the Kim K one because I can't be asked to find my sharpener. Sorry, I literally just had to post that ad. I'm literally doing a paid partnership with Kylie Skin, which I'm super excited about. Like, when I got asked to do it, I was just like, oh, oops, look at this liner. I was just like, oh my god, hold on. I'm gonna go with Huda Beauty board meeting. I love, a lot of you guys said you got this lip is top tier. You see the palette, that's the only thing. Be careful with these lips because when they get too hot, they can have an urge of like, not melting, but you know, but just like getting a bit too weak. So definitely store them in cool places. Lip is top tier, like I love a good nude lip. So guys, this is a finished look. Obviously it's just kind of like a glowy natural makeup. Like, I feel like because my eyes moving mad, I can't make it irritate anymore. What do you guys think of the look? I think it looks really nice, like super pretty. So let's get on to the giveaway. Okay, so I just want to say thank you to everyone that's helped support my channel, helped tune in, watch my Sip and Slays, watched my vlogs, to Vlogmas, to Ask Gary, to even chimed in and like sent me news, gossip, everything. It doesn't go unnoticed. I love you guys so much, and I try and reply to as much comments as I can, like near enough all of them, and I just want to give something back. I know I should really do more giveaways, but you know, a bitch is lazy, so I thought I'd give you guys this. So we have a really gorgeous giveaway. So the person will win, whoever wins, both my lashes. I'm gonna add extras in there. A Purity Philosophy face wash, a Christian Dominique lip kit, some Revolution skincare, a new Kevin Aucoin highlighter, some NARS lipsticks, Christian Dior liquid lipstick, Christian Dior Christmas collection, all the Bobbi Brown Christmas collection, like all the Bobbi Brown, the palette, the highlight palette, everything, a Glam Glow mask. And yeah, I was actually gonna put more skincare in there, but I know when I've sent skincare, especially my bundle bags, that a lot of things happen, like it kind of leaks, and you know, it can only sell it to under 100 ml. So that is the giveaway. The only thing I would suggest you do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the bell notifications, and comment something down below what you would want for Christmas. Just it could be anything, like could be like a present, like a good time with your family, like what you want this Christmas. Like, just comment that. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys know I love you so much. I might have a video coming out tomorrow, I'm not sure, but I definitely will have a video coming out in the week. Obviously I want to tell you something, but I can't. But yeah, so I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.